Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. Today we are going to discuss about black body radiation. It defined as the ideal body which emits and absorbs radiations of all frequencies is called a black body. The radiation of black body is called black body radiation. If take an object, it passes all kinds of radiations on object means different frequencies of radiations. If pass an object, it absorbs all frequencies of radiations and emits different frequencies of radiations. It is called black body, and radiation of this black body is called black body radiation. If take an example, a hollow sphere coated inside with platinum black which has a small hole in its wall can act as a near black body. If take hollow sphere inside with platinum black coated with and it has hole in its wall can act as a near black body. Observations based on emitted energy or different frequencies of emitted radiations. He observed the radiation if loses continuously, it is in the form of wave. If the radiation what emitted from object if loses energy continuously, it is in the form of wave. We got if energy loses in the form of wave, if the graph is gradually increases, but here it is not observed, but experimentally observe that graph B, which means the emitted radiation is not continuously releasing, it is discontinuous. Whenever energy is releasing continuously, it is in the form of wave, but here the graph is observed like this, so the energy is not continuously releasing, so it is discontinuous. Next theory is Planck's quantum theory. The phenomenon of black body radiation is given by Max Planck. If we take object, the radiation is released in the form of particles and propagated in the form of waves. The absorption or emission of radiation is mainly due to vibrations of charged particles. If take an atom, it is a nucleus, this is shells, and this is lower energy shell and this is higher energy orbit. So if electron jumps from lower energy to higher energy level, energy is absorbs. Whenever electrons jumps from higher energy to lower energy, energy releases. Due to vibrations of electrons from higher energy level to lower energy level, this absorption and emission happens. The radiant energy is always in discontinuous waveform. It is absorbed or emitted discontinuously in the form of small pockets of energy is called quantum. Means the absorbed energy or emitted energy in the form of small quantums and propagated in the form of waves. This particles called quantum. Small pockets called quantum. The energy of quantum of radiation is directly proportional to frequency of the radiation. E is directly proportional to nu. E is equals to h nu. H is the Planck's constant. V is the C by lambda. C equals to hc by lambda. V is the C into nu bar. E is the energy of radiation. H is the Planck's constant, that is 6.625 into 10 to the 4 of minus 27 eggs into second. Energy is emitted or absorbed in simple integral multiples of quantum, but is not in fractional values like 1, 2, 3. E is equals to nh nu. Next one is Einstein approach. According to Einstein, the radiant energy is absorbed or emitted in the form of small particles is called photon. The radiation is propagated in the form of photons. The radiant energy released or emitted in the form of photons. After that, the propagated in the form of photons only. In Planck's constant, the radiant energy or released energy or emitted energy in the form of particles. After that, it is propagated into waves. Here, Einstein is said that it is released, the emitted energy is in the form of particles or photons, are propagated in the form of, after that it is propagated in the form of photons only. The energy of photon is directly proportional to frequency of the radiation. The radiation of photon is E is equals to h nu, E is equals to hc by lambda. E is equals to 12375 or 12,375 into lambda. This lambda is in angstrom. The Planck's theory was extended by Einstein for all types of electromagnetic radiation. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.